Okay, guys. So I woke up today and I was like, I can't keep doing this. Eh? I gotta do something. So I brushed my teeth. I took my bath. I decided to go to church. Ha! On my way to church, there was no option. The only option was to enter a keke marwa, a keke napep. So we entered this keke napep, it took us straight to church. When we got into the church, it was praise and worship. When worship, people dey dance like say this thing. Omo, I join the vibe. I was dancing. I was giving them the yeah. Omo, my friend look at me. I would look at him bad eyes. So when it was offering period, I had 600 naira in my pocket. 600 naira. So I put 100 naira in the offering box. This is my bad character. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's a bit painful. It's abysmal actually. So we finished church. So we had some kind of advice, like we should try to, bring ourselves up sometimes, like try to embrace ourselves. So I said to let me embrace myself. Something keep telling me, who should embrace? Are you embracing yourself? So I checked my body. I was like, I think I know what's happening. I'm hungry. I'm famished. So, now, this is me drinking Gary. Finish your tongue. Buy chicken and chips. That 500 that remain is my nice food. Okay, next time.